So this is the old very worn brake pad, and then I installed the new one. Very easy, just to pull out this only, this pin, this lock pin, and then this pin also, and also the tensioner, and then you can take the two brake pad. And then while replacing this brake pad, I also paint the caliper, but this side only. Do it very easy.